What's the meaning of birth certificate? Birth certificate. Birth certificate.
Birth certificate. Birth certificate. A birth certificate is an official document that serves as proof of a person's birth. It is issued by the government agency responsible for births registration, usually the Department of Health or its equivalent. The certificate contains important information such as the person's full name, date of birth, place of birth, parents' names, and other identifying information. A birth certificate is a vital record that is used for a variety of purposes such as obtaining a passport, driver's license, social security card, and other important documents. It is also important in determining citizenship, inheritance rights, and eligibility for government benefits. The accuracy and authenticity of a birth certificate is crucial in maintaining credibility and trust in legal and government processes.